I'm Victoria Battison, Director of Corporate Communications for Blackmagic Design, and we're here at NAB 2009, and we thank you for your interest in our products. We have a lot of new products at NAB this year. The products that your audience will probably be most interested in include our new Enterprise Video Hub, which is this product here, and it is a very massive router for only $30,000 US, and it will be available in a couple of months. This new router has 144 SDI inputs and 288 SDI outputs. It has reclocking, and it has 2 power supplies and a backup power supply. Upgrades can be done very easily through the USB port, and it also has referencing. As you can see, our router line has been expanded from last year's new broadcast video hub, which was a little bit smaller, and it has the 72 SDI inputs and 144 SDI outputs. But we have a second new router this year, and it is our new Studio Video Hub, which is replacing our previous video hub for the same price. And so for the same price of about $5,000 US, you get the new features, including 3 gigabits per second SDI. You also get some more SDI inputs and outputs. You now get 16 inputs and 32 outputs. And these are also standard definition, high definition, and 2K. Our 3 routers can be controlled by this new touchscreen application, which has your destination as well as your source and all of your equipment that you want to have controlled by the routers. And you can very easily configure the icons and the names of the products or the pieces of equipment that you want to have controlled by this touch screen. If you don't want to have a touch screen and you want to use just a regular monitor, you can, and you would use your mouse to control your changes. Now we've moved over to our converter line. Last year at NAB, we came out with 5 mini converters: SDI to analog, analog to SDI, HDMI to SDI, SDI to HDMI, and a sync generator. We have added 3 new mini converters this year. One is SDI to audio, and audio to SDI, and the third is a mini converter optical fiber. So we've also moved into optical fiber, which I'll talk about in a minute. These converters are all available for $495 US. But in addition to that, we found that a lot of our customers, especially broadcasters, are very interested in the rack-mounted options, and so now we have moved into the open gear converters. These fit the standard open gear format, and you can put our open gear converters in any open gear chassis. Rack mount them, and you have everything very nicely and neatly in your rack. We also have a new family of products that are compatible with optical fiber, which is a wonderful money-saving form of transporting your video data throughout a large facility. Optical fiber also is very quiet for audio, and it has a very wide bandwidth, so you'll be able to expand without putting in new cables as the bandwidth capabilities of products and technology increase. Our first product is the mini converter optical fiber, which is basically a mini converter that will convert from optical fiber to SDI and SDI to optical fiber in one unit. It's a simultaneous conversion, and that's only $495 US. We also have our DeckLink optical fiber, which is our DeckLink card. It's a very simple card, but it has that added benefit of working with optical fiber over greater distances. And then our third new product for optical fiber is our HD Link optical fiber. It's the same price as our HD Link Pro was previously, $795 US, and it is basically a monitoring converter so that you can look at your video on regular monitors instead of more expensive broadcast monitors. You'll be able to see your video. For further information, please visit the Blackmagic Design website, and we have a website specifically for Japan. We also have a distributor in Japan, and that distributor's name and contact information can be found on our website. Okay, thank you.